Excited to unbox your new Canon EOS 2000d. Let's get it ready for its first shot. Firstly, locate the battery. It's usually found in a small, separate compartment within the packaging. Next, open the battery compartment cover on the bottom of your camera. You'll typically find a small latch or slide mechanism to do this. Insert the battery, making sure the gold contacts on the battery align with the terminals inside the compartment. It should click securely into place. Now, let's find the memory card. This is crucial for storing your photos and videos. The memory card slot is usually located on the side of the camera, hidden behind a small door or flap. Insert the memory card with the label facing the correct direction, usually towards the back of the camera, until it clicks in. Close both the battery and memory card compartment covers firmly to prevent them from accidentally opening during use. Now, power on your camera using the on/off switch, which is typically near the top right of the camera body. The first thing you'll likely see is the date and time setup menu. Use the directional buttons around the set button to navigate and adjust the year, month, day, hour, and minute. Press the Set or OK button to confirm each selection and move to the next. Once completed, your camera will be fully ready. Congratulations! Your Canon EOS 2000d is now set up and ready to capture stunning moments.